Hi, in this video I am going to show you how you can download HP DeskJet 2600 all-in-one printer drivers and set up HP DeskJet printer 2600 to Wi-Fi or USB. So before we proceed, please ensure that your computer is connected to the wireless network. The computer and router are turned on, and also ensure that the computer is also connected to the same wireless Wi-Fi network from which you want to connect the printer with. And the next point, the printer is also set up, paper loaded into the given input tray, and ink cartridges are installed. And the next, printer is turned on and this places near to the computer and within the range of the router for setup. Now to complete this setup, you need to download and install the driver from HP website. The full feature driver for wireless printing and scanning software. So please follow the instructions given in this video, which I am going to show you step by step to start the setup of your HP DeskJet 2600 printer. So first of all, you need to open any of your web browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Firefox. So here I have opened Google Chrome. Let me show you again. Okay, so I am on my PC desktop. So here I am going to launch Google Chrome. It is launching. Okay, so in browser, in address bar, you need to type website name, which I am going to type here 123.hp.com, and just press the enter key. After that, this website will be opened of HP support. So let me show you next. So here in the search box, you need to type exactly the model name of the printer. So because we are going to set up for DeskJet 2600, so I have searched this model name, and the first result which is coming here, it is the same printer. So I will just click on this link and just click on next. Now it is asking to complete setup using HP Smart. You need to make sure your printer is powered on and install HP Smart to complete setup. So I will just click on install HP Smart. Alternatively, you can also download HP Smart app for your iOS or Android device for your smartphone. So it is redirected in Microsoft Store application. So here I will just click on HP Smart and click on open after installation. So it is launching, just wait. So after launching HP Smart app, you will find this interface here. So just click on plus icon. Now it is searching for the printers available in the same network. Let's wait, because we are going to complete this setup through wireless. So here, as I can see, and you can also, that DeskJet 2700 printer found in the same network which is connected to the Wi-Fi. So I will just click on this printer name. Okay, so as you can see here, this printer is connected with HP Smart app and ready for print. And I have also printer test page. Everything is fine and it is completely set up. So in this way you can also set up your HP printer. If you have more than one computer, you need to follow the same instruction to set up this printer wireless. And this HP 2600 setup guide can also help you to following printers. I will provide the list of printers which is available in the same series. So setup of all the printers will be in same way only, which I have done in this video. So you can follow the same. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you want any help related to your printer, just click on the support link which is available in this video description.